holiday seasons are coming, and we have here is candy canes. And when we open up the box, it's great for the storage, so please don't discard it. All our candy canes. We have a lot of information, so let's get a nice close-up look at what we get. We get a Merry Christmas card, 15 stakes. They stake into the candy cane. Take your time, and they go in like so. 12 candy canes with 7 LED lights and a star. If you make a mistake and want to remove the stake, it simply comes out. There are grooves on both sides that they fit into. Very easy. When all your wire is laid out, this is the AC 110 volt with an extension that you can plug into any 110 outlet. At the very end, all the leads come into a module, an on and off button that you press more than one time for different types of modes. The last candy cane is going to have an extension plug so you could continue on. We have plugged in the light. We have 8 different modes. When you unplug the system, it's going to remember the last mode. This is a slow glow. When we hit the next one, we're flickering and twinkling in alternation. We're going to hit it again, and we're going to be on solid. We'll hit it again for the 3rd time. It blinks all at the same time. Take note of the stars as well. They are a white color. This is the 4th blink. It's a different type of cycle. This is the 5th blink. It is slow twinkle. This is the 6th blink. It comes on slow. Every other one. This is the 7th one. It flickers a lot faster and a little different design. And the 8th one, it stays on solid and starts to fade off slowly. And then you just repeat over and over and over. You may check the description out for the details of the height and all. The first cane is 9.8 feet, 118 inches, 0.5, 5.9 inches tail with female connectors, giving you a 39.8 feet of 477 inches, meaning you have a lot of line to run. So let's go hook this up outside, how we're going to show it and present it for the evening hour. Dressing up your backyard, your patio, your front, your landscape, inside, outside, offices, wherever you put your candy cane. We're going to set it on up and plug it in. Let's get this installation going. As you can see how I laid things out, and I'm coming over here and I'm lining up my cable in the grooves and locking them into place and just placing them where I want to. You could tuck your wires away, put them in there nice and neat, stake them in the ground. Very easy to install. It'll take me about a couple more minutes to put my candy canes where I need to put them. We're ready for the evening hour. The installation wasn't that long. It taken just a few minutes to do. We're going to show you all 8 modes and what it looks like at night. We have the Christmas lights on the very first setting. As you can see, it goes alternate. We press on the next setting. It staggers to different settings. The 3rd setting, slower. The fourth setting is a slow glow. The fifth setting, it flickers and dances. The sixth setting, it stays lit and lowers down. The seventh setting, it flickers and dances. And the eighth setting, it stays on and will do different things. Candy canes, excellent for Halloween decoration. I hope this is what you're looking for in decorating your landscape for Christmas time.